Yes. Now in this class we are going with how to compare the fractions and operations on fractions. Comparing fractions.
Ma'am, you taught us this, ma'am.
Comparison over for you. I think Sudisha is not there the day, and even other two students, Lohini is also not there. We will discuss just comparing fractions, then operations we will go little later, children. If you want to compare two like fractions, what are like fractions, Sudisha? Sudisha,
Yes, ma'am.
what are like fractions?
Ma'am, where the denominators are equal. I mean
Very
same.
good. Very good. Is these two are like fractions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I want to compare these two like fractions means which numerator is greater, that is your greater fraction. Which numerator is greater here, Lohini? Lohini, which numerator is
3/7.
so which is greater by comparing? It's very easy, children. If it is like means it is easy to compare. If suppose the question is 7/10, 8/10, which is greater? Yes, which is greater, children?
7/10, ma'am.
What, ma'am? Which is greater fraction? Is it like?
No, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is a like fraction.
Yes. Which is greater in like fraction?
Ma'am, 8/10. 8/10.
Very good. And the same way, you just give the another part. Daksh, 11/24 and 13/24. Which is greater?
13/24.
Very good. The next, Sriharsha, 17/102, 12/102. Which is greater here? Yes. Yes, Sriharsha. Sriharsha. Not responding. Yes, Lohini, 17/102, 12/102. Which is greater?
17/102, ma'am.
Now, from this, what you can conclude from all these above examples, we discussed many examples. What you can conclude if you want to compare two or more like fractions, I'm talking about like which numerator is greater, that is your
Greater fraction.
right. This is the way we are comparing. Now, coming to unlike fractions comparison, students. How to compare unlike fractions? Unlike, what are unlike fractions? Yes,
Denominators are different.
very good. Denominators are different. Suppose if I'm going with the examples like 1/3 and 4/5. Is these two are like or unlike fractions, children?
Unlike.
Unlike fractions. If you want to compare these two unlike fractions, so what you have to do? You should make as a like fractions. You should make as a like fractions. So making as a like fractions means you need to take LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here, children? 3 and 5. Yes, what are denominators here? 3 and 5. So if you take LCM of 3 and 5, since both are prime numbers, no prime number is repeated, the product is the LCM. Daksh, what is LCM here, Daksh? Daksh, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yeah, what is LCM of denominators? Yes, 3 and 5 LCM. Is it
15?
Is it 15 children? Is it 15? Yes or no? Is it 15? LCM of denominators, is it 15 or not? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. LCM of denominators is 15 here. You just see children, if LCM is 15 means you need to make as a like fractions. So first denominator is, what is your first denominator? 3. Your LCM is 15. You need to equate to 15 means 3. When 3 becomes 15 children, what number you're supposed to multiply to make as a 15? Yes?
Ma'am,
When
3
yes,
into 5 and 5 into 3.
very good. First fraction you're supposed to multiply with 5.
3 into 5. Up also we have to do, ma'am. So
Yeah.
here for 5 second section, 5 into 3. So
And
up it's going to be 4 into 5, 4 into 3.
whatever the number you are multiplying, same number you're supposed to multiply children with the numerator and denominator. Now you are converting fractions. What are the ultimate fractions, resulting fractions to you children? 5 ones are 5 by 13. Sorry, 3 5s are 15.
Yeah.
Now 4 3s are 12 by 15. Is it like or unlike?
Ma'am,
Yes.
now it is like.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the operation we can do it when it is like fraction.
Yeah, yes, exactly true. You are correct. Wonderful. We are doing operations means when it is like fractions, then only we can do operations. So unlike means we can't do any operation. We can't do any operation. You just 1 minute, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like fractions. You just see like here, which is greater by seeing it since you can compare right now. Which is greater?
Ma'am, it is 12 by 15.
So this is the way we can compare the fractions, not only two fractions, children, more than two fractions also, the same way we can compare. Same way you just convert as a like fractions, then you can do. This is a procedure, children. If you want to do in your competitive examinations, I will give you a small, take just a minute, children. Yeah, please turn on your videos, children. Sir just kept a message in your group. Please turn on your videos quickly. Come on.
Turn on only.
Yeah, how many
I'm
is
having
there?
a little internet issue, ma'am. I can't monitor.
Who is having internet issue?
Ma'am, I am, ma'am. Yatharth.
Okay, Yadharth.
Ma'am,
And
I'll keep on trying now.
what other students? What about other students?
Ma'am, my webcam is on.
And who is not yet on their video? Let me check. Just a minute, children. I'll check. Lohini. Lohini, are you there?
Ma'am, my video is on.
Okay, very good. And who else is not on their video? Sri Harsha. Is it Sri Harsha? You just please check. Is it Sri Harsha?
Yatharth and Sri Harsha's videos are off. That's it.
Yadav said he very good. I know that he never off. Maybe some network issue. He just okay. And who are
Yes, ma'am.
yeah? Who others? I want to know. Sri
Ma'am,
Harsha.
it is Sri Harsha, that's it.
Okay, children. Now this is the way we can find unlike fractions. This is the way we can find unlike fractions comparison. Suppose the question is. Children, the same bit. What is the question I just write just before? What is the question just before I wrote?
Ma'am,
5 and 4 by 5.
Anything, you just take another example, children. I want to compare these two fractions. Is it like or unlike, Sudesha? Is it like or unlike?
they're unlike.
So, unlike fractions, only two fractions. If you want to compare, this is a shortcut method, children. You need to do cross multiplication, children. 5 twos are how much, children?
5 twos are 10.
3
3 threes are 9.
Which is greater here? 10 is greater. So 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. This is your shortcut method. This is your shortcut method. Shortcut method. When you are getting in your competitive examination, you can use this method. By doing cross multiplication, we can compare the fractions. By doing cross multiplication, we can compare which is greater, which is smaller, like that. You can compare and write your answer. This is one way of doing. Now, this is the one type. If let me, some mic is unmuted, please mute your mic always, please. Please.
Magic, I think from
Ashwath. One minute.
Okay, please mute your mic, Nana.
yeah, ma'am.
This is the Daksh. What type of fractions? These all are.
Ma'am, unlike fraction.
Yes, these are unlike fractions. These are unlike fractions, and also you can name it one. All numerators are one. What type of fractions these all are?
Unit.
Very good. Who said the word?
Um,
Very good. Unit fractions, Nana. Unit fractions. If you want compare unit fractions, which denominator is greater? Which denominator is greater? That is the smaller fraction, children. Which denominator is greater? That is the smaller fraction. So now which is the smaller here?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Then
1 by 7.
1 by 7. Then
1 by 5.
And then 1 by 3.
yeah, this is about your unit fractions, Nana. This is also important point you have to remember. These are the basic things when you are doing.
Ma'am, one another thing, ma'am. Siddhisha, Daksha, and some people are not turning on their webcam. Yadath,
It is mandatory.
Harsha.
Sri Harsha, are you there, Sri Harsha?
Ma'am, my network is weak, so it may turn off and on.
Okay. Okay. Yes, here let me now I'm going to give few questions to you. How many of you give response quickly? Let me check. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order.
Ma'am, give me a hard question.
Yes. Arrange.
Ma'am, should we send them privately to you?
Yes, yes. Arrange the following in ascending order. AO means ascending order, children. Then don't think like something. The question is 1 by 12, 1 by 23, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 50, 1 by 9, 1 by 17. Yes. Arrange the following in ascending order. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write like 1, 2, 3 like that, ma'am?
Okay, that's also fine. Or else, okay.
Ma'am, don't say the answer, ma'am. I'm sending.
And the second question is two questions you're supposed to answer, children. 3 by 7 and 3 by 11, 3 by 5, 3 by 2, 3 by 13, 3 by 4, 3 by 17. You need to arrange these two fractions into ascending order. Now, Lohini, first bit, can you give an answer for first bit?
I'm doing.
Yeah, by seeing only you can answer. Ascending order means which order, children? Lohini, ascending means.
Send you the answer. Can you check mine?
Okay, just a minute. No, I will check.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, Sudhisha.
Okay, I'm checking.
Ma'am, you're sharing your screen, so the answer will be shown.
Oh, okay. Just a minute. I will start. But they are busy with their work. Sudesha, we will see what is.
Ma'am, this is Ashwath, ma'am. Can I get my book?
What?
What, Ashwath?
Can
What?
I?
What
Ma'am,
is-
I think he said, can I give my book or something?
No, for the, he's not. He's speaking with some others.
Ma'am, can you check my answer? I'm excited.
Yes, I'm doing. Yeah. Very good. I can see, Sudisha, you are giving absolutely ascending means a small to big. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
but you are giving descending order.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Sudisha, which is smaller? I said, Sudisha, which denominator is greater? That is.
They are unit fractions.
Oh, okay,
So
ma'am.
larger or
Ma'am, 1 minute.
One
Sudisha gave correct.
no.
1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 12, 1 by 17,
Ma'am,
23, then
Ma'am
50.
said that the unit fractions, the big one is this, the one with the denominator which is biggest, it is the smallest.
Exactly true. So 1 by 23 is smallest fraction. So 1 by 23 is the smallest means 1 by 5 she wrote as the smallest.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Now you understand what your mistake? I can see Daksh, you are giving absolutely correct. Absolutely
Ma'am,
correct.
can you go to the board once?
1 minute, Nana. And even Ashwath, you are also, Ashwath is also, Daksh is correct, Ashwath is wrong.
Ma'am, then Ashwath is correct.
Now you gave
Ma'am,
correct.
then
answer.
again Ashwath is
You
correct.
copied
Right?
and you copied it.
I didn't copy yours. I just write mine in another opposite order.
Listen, children, please don't quarrel. Here, ascending means small to big. You are writing descending order. Please correct your mistake. Always, which denominator in unit fractions, which denominator is greater? That is the smallest fraction. Understand, children?
I have a doubt about unit fractions.
Yeah, please, Daksh, please.
Yes, ma'am. So are unit fractions just called when the numerator is just one, or when they're all the same?
Daksh, you can observe unit fraction is absolutely what you said. The unit means denominator, numerator should be 1. But in the second
Okay.
example, I'm just taking a constant number. You just think like your unit fraction only. Why? Because numerator are all same here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that it is same thing. Whatever the thing we are applied in the unit fraction, same thing applied here too. Same rule applied here too. Which denominator is greater? That is the smallest fraction. Same like unit fractions. Daksh, hope you got more.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, right now I sent you a private chat. Can you check?
1 minute. Yeah, I can see Sudisha. Next one you are giving. The first one you are giving, right, Sudisha?
Yeah, ma'am, for the correct answer.
Okay, what is the question I gave here for you? Yeah, you are correct. Right now you are correct, Sudisha. Wonderful, good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very good.
Ma'am.
Lohini to correct, but Lohini unable to type the fraction part, but she gave correct on the order. She gave correctly.
Just the slanting line as fraction.
Okay, you can take. Second bit, please. Second
Ma'am,
bit.
second bit is too big. I'm trying to get the answer.
No need of very big. You can the same numerators means same technique you can use here too. Same numerators means you can use which denominator is greater, that is the smallest. If numerators are
Second
same,
one is also.
yes.
Ma'am, the second one is also ascending order.
Same ascending order only. Both the fractions you
Okay, ma'am.
supposed to arrange in ascending order. Yes, children, did you complete it? Shall we go ahead with some other part of?
Ma'am, as the denominator is
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, the denominator will be very big. The LCM is very big. The denominator will be very big. So the fraction will be very big, ma'am. That's why I'm going to. Can I take time, ma'am?
Why you are taking
Thank
here?
you.
Why you are taking time, my dear? No need of taking that much a processor also. Don't think like unlike fractions. Here numerators are same. All numerators.
Yes.
Ma'am, I've sent.
Mama, you're in the private chat. Can you check?
Sorry,
and see?
ma'am.
Okay, that's
Can you
right.
check?
Now I can see Daksh, you're absolutely correct, Daksh. Even Sudisha, correct.
Mom, but he kept only 7.
Okay, it's okay, but the value, whatever the value is absolutely correct. Ashwat, you got the point, Ashwat, my point?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. 1 second.
You're
Can you check mine?
okay, just a minute.
That is wrong. No, correct. Descending order, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Descending order means the smallest one will be the biggest one. Like 3
Daksh.
by 2 will be the biggest one.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah,
That
Daksh,
means
I thought
Daksh
that
is
was
wrong.
ascending.
he sent.
Ma'am, can you please put that question on the board so that I can type the answers for you?
Yes, you can see 17.
Ma'am, I thought that was ascending order. The second one.
Okay. Okay, anything but children, you know the concept. Just now he clarified his doubt also. I understood. Daksh is confident on this.
6,
Yes, Daksh, any doubt here?
3,
No, ma'am. Not yet.
1. 1 minute, ma'am. 2, then 7.
Now let me
1 minute.
give
I
you
think
the
I missed something.
now another
Ma'am, 1
part
minute,
of
ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm trying to do my work.
Take a screenshot and save it.
Done. Yes, ma'am,
very
done.
good. Right, Nana.
Take your answer.
Yes, 4, 6, 3, 1, 2, 5, 7. Right. 4, 6.
Dakshit wrote in descend.
I thought it was ascending.
Yeah. Okay, right, children. Now
Oh, sorry.
next question. You see, children, please compare. You have to compare other fractions to here. This is question number 3 for your practice questions. Who are giving correct, who are giving wrong answers. Wrong answers students supposed to do once again. 13 by 15. You need to compare these two fractions. And other part is 4 by 5 and 5 by 6, which is great, which is you need to compare. Yes, please put in the chat box, children. Quickly, you have to answer and put in the chat box so that we can go with exercise sum. Are you doing, children? Are you doing or not?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it.
We do
Yeah,
it.
I'm waiting for your responses quickly. Who are giving quick answers? You just go with the cross multiplication because two fractions are given. Shortcut method you can use. Go with cross multiplication and give your responses very quickly, children.
I answered both.
Good.
Ma'am, the first
Yes, ma'am.
one is over. I'm going to the. I mean, third one is over. I'm going to the fourth one.
Sure. Please.
Ma'am, you can see my direct message.
Yeah, some student is waiting in WhatsApp. I don't know what is an issue with the network of Sri Harsha Alluri.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Sri Harsha.
yeah.
Ma'am, Sri Harsha is not responding these days.
Okay, children,
Not
please
even
Check my
responding.
answer.
please you just
Ma'am,
I will give
Absent.
answers. So how many of you correct, please? 5 5s are 75 children. 15 5s are 75. So 16, 13, 6 times how much children? 13 5s are 65, 75, 78. So which is greater here? This is greater.
15.
Yes. Now
Ma'am,
for
before you told we need to cross multiplication. I thought it would be the same method, so I did call cross
Ma'am,
multiplication.
I gave both the right answers.
very good. How many of you both are correct, children? Daksh correct.
Ma'am, me.
Me also.
Ashwat.
Me,
What
yeah.
about Sudisha and Lohini and Sri Harsha and Yadharth?
Ma'am, I got it correct.
Very good. Shall we go ahead, children? Shall I give a few more bits for you?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. Now your target. Please quickly you can complete so that we can go. Yeah.
Ma'am, now give addition sums.
Addition we will go little later.
Ma'am,
Addition, subtraction.
time actually.
If you are perfect with this concept, you can do many things. It's you need to compare these two like fractions. Second one is 3 by 6 and 0. You just compare these two, which is greater, which is smaller, like that. And 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Then 8 by 6 and 5 by 6. Then here 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Then 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Then 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. Now I will call one student. You're supposed to get. First question, based on which rule we can directly put a comparison student. What type of fractions?
Like fraction.
Very good. Both are like fractions. Siddharth, please give the answer for first bit.
Ma'am, 5 by 6, ma'am.
Why can you say in like fractions which numerator is greater? That is the
Ma'am, because
greater.
yes, ma'am. 5
Five.
is the greater numerator here.
Next,
Numerator.
Daksh. Daksh, I want answer for second bit. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
please
Ma'am,
answer.
0 is greater.
0 is greater. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
False.
Daksh, please.
Ma'am, 3 by 6 is greater than
If
0,
you have
ma'am,
like
because
that,
3
you
units
can-
are there.
6 into 0 is 0 only. 3 and 0, what is the value? 0 by, okay. Yes. How you supposed to do here, children? Ashwath, how you supposed to compare 3 by 6 and 0?
Ma'am, 3 by 6, ma'am, 3 by 6 is three units. For example, 6 dots. 0 of them is not even one dot in it is
Ma'am, then
smaller.
3 by 6 is like a half, right? 0 is greater than a half.
How is 0 greater than half? 0
0 means nothing. 0 means
means
0 means no value.
if you can tell like -1 -2 or 0 is greater than -1 -2, but in fractions any fraction will be greater than 0.
See, it's like
Unless 0 by 6, 0 by any number is not greater than 0.
next third question, Lohini. Lohini.
6 and 6 by 6.
Why 6 by 6 is a whole part? Very good. Very good. Next question goes to Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6, ma'am.
Sudisha. Next question is Sudisha.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, here, ma'am, 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6.
Very good. Sriharsha.
Ma'am, you can check your private chat. It is filled with I think 8 messages.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Ashwath Reddy, please, can you go with this bit? Sriharsha is not responding. At least Sriharsha, put in your message in your group, chat group.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 7. Even if we do cross multiplication, 1 by 4.
1 by 4 is bigger.
Very
1
good.
by 4 is bigger. And also another thing, when denominator, for example, a rectangle, if we divide it into 7 parts, the one part of it will be smaller than a rectangle divided into 4 parts.
Wonderful, wonderful explanation. Good job. Next 4 by 5 and 5 by 5.
5 by 5 is greater, ma'am. It's a whole.
Whole, and then you even near
5 by
this
5 is
four,
greater,
right?
it seems, ma'am. Daksh
Very
told.
Right.
5 by 5 is equal to 1, ma'am, and 4 by 5 is 1 less than 1.
Exactly. Last one, who will say? Sudisha will say last bit.
Ma'am, 3 by 7.
How?
Ma'am, Ashwath just now told my example also.
Wait, we will ask Sudisha only.
I,
Sudisha, here what type of fractions? Is it like or unlike?
ma'am, it's a kind of unlike.
Unlike. So what you should do, you can do cross multiplication to recognize which is greater, which is smaller. If you do cross multiplication, 7 threes are how much?
Ma'am,
7 3 times.
21.
21.
7 threes are Sudisha.
21, ma'am.
Sudisha, are you giving answer or not?
Ma'am, she's telling
Just now gave answer. She just now gave
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah, 5 threes are 15. Which is greater in these two? 20.
21, 3 by 5.
Right, right.
Ma'am, one thing for one example for this in this regard, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, a rectangle like in a square sheet, a rectangle which has sides which have the length of 35 centimeters. Length 35 centimeters means 3 boxes. Now, if we draw parts of 5 in the in one rectangle and 7 parts in another rectangle, the parts which will have 5 parts, one part in that part will be bigger than the one part in the rectangle divided into 7.
Wonderful,
Ma'am.
wonderful, very good. Why? Because
That is why
even
multiply
we will
one
do
part with
this activity through graph sheet also, children. Very good explanation. Very good, Ashwat. Please, good job. Next, children, simplest form. Simplest form or lowest form.
Ma'am,
or
you told this one, ma'am. You told this.
completed simplest form is over for us.
Ma'am, you need to tell additions and subtractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And before going to addition and subtraction, there is a few word problems today. This is also lively word problems, very important. You just go with that part. I think question number 7. There is Daksh read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. How
Ma'am?
much Daksh read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages?
Ma'am, what are you asking? 1 by 4th.
Yes, Daksh. There are two friends, Daksh and Ashwat. What is your spell, Ashwat? A-S?
Ma'am, ASH VATH.
Ashwat. These are two friends. So
Yes, ma'am.
these two friends, Daksh read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. That means what fraction of
1 by 4th.
Very good. 25 out of 100 means 1/4 book he read. Good job. Next, about Ashwat. Ashwat read 2/5 of the same book. 2/5 of the book he read. Who read less? Who read less?
Yes, I know this, ma'am.
Who read less?
Ma'am,
So it
ma'am,
is also
four-
comparing, children. It is also comparing. So this is 5
1 by
1s,
4.
4 2s are 8. Who read less here?
Ma'am, I read less.
Very good. Daksh read less. Who read more?
Ma'am, Ashwat.
Ashwath.
Like that we can compare. This is one of the lively application for your comparing fractions, children. The same way we can take anything like exercises. There is Sudisha and Lohini, two students in the class. Sudisha and Lohini. These are the two students. So Sudisha exercise for 3 by 6 hours. 3 by 6 hours every day she regularly exercises. And whereas Lohini exercises 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 of hour. Sudisha,
Ma'am, which means
1 by 2.
ma'am, I
Hi,
read
Sudesha.
2.
my question is who exercised for a longer time?
Ma'am, Lohini.
How you can say Lohini?
Ma'am, because
because-
3 by 4th is greater than 1
No, ma'am.
1 by second.
Actually, Sudisha did for less time.
Hour means you
That's
can
what I'm
take as
saying.
60
Lohini did
minutes,
greater.
then you can take as 60 minutes.
Lo-
3 by 4th of Lohini means 3 by 4 into 60, 1 hour. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 15 times 6 1s are 16.
Ma'am, ma'am,
That's what I'm saying, ma'am. Lohini did more exercise.
Lohini read for 40, did exercise for
exercise.
45 minutes, but Sudisha did exercise
30.
for only 30 minutes.
So who did more?
Ma'am, Lohini did more exercise.
How much time more?
Ma'am, by 15 minutes.
Very good. Like that, whatever likely application will be tested in the exam, children, you can be ready. Sudisha, any doubt here? Sudisha, any doubt here? Sudisha, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Sudisha, any doubt in this bit?
No, ma'am.
You did 3 by 6 of an hour exercise, and Lohini did a 3/4 of hour. So 1 hour I'm taking as 1 hour equal to how many minutes, children? 1 hour equal to
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
60 minutes. So 3/6 of 60 minutes, if I'm taking and cancelled, I'm getting 30 minutes of time
30
here.
minutes.
And the same way, if I simplified Lohini's, I'm taking 45 minutes, I'm getting here. So if I'm comparing with these two, 30 minutes and 45 minutes, by seeing this, Sudisha did less exercise than Lohini. And how much more also sometimes they will ask you 15 minutes more. 15 minutes more.
Lohini did exercise. No, Lohini did more exercise than Sudisha by 40.
Yeah, yes, very good, Mama. Like that, you can give conclusion. The same way application part, not only that, children, we have some other part also. In a class of 25 students, suppose our class, you just think
What
about
is the strength of the students?
25, Nana. Total class strength is 25 students. Total class strength is
How many came?
25 students. Passed in first class. Passed in first class. Passed in first class. Passed in first class. How many are passed in first class means 20 students are passed in first class. In another class, this is about class A, children. Class A. This is about class A. And class B, there are two classes, children. This is about class B, information is given. In class B, total is 30 students, and in that 24 passed in first class. Passed in first class is
Ma'am,
yeah
round of it must be coming.
24. Now you have to question is in which class the greater fraction of students get in first class.
Ma'am, can you give 2 minutes?
Yes, exactly. I will give time for you, but you need to think and give.
Yeah.
So about class A, total strength is 25. Passed in first class is 20.
Ma'am,
Right.
please give the answer, ma'am. We'll
I won't reveal.
Ma'am,
the
class B passed
Total-
more students.
Okay, according to Daksha said, ma'am, class B is
Ma'am,
more.
class A.
Okay, Yadharth said class A. Okay, and let me give another people also. Ashwath, what's your answer? Lohini, Sudisha, and Sri Harsha. What's your answers, please? Please share your answers so that we can.
Ma'am, more people pass.
Yeah, which class is the most pass percentage in first class? That's our
Ma'am, first,
Ma'am, class A.
class
20 by 25. And here
20 by 25
24
and
24 by 30.
30.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
6
20 and
students did not
25
pass
are
over
more,
here.
ma'am.
6 students did not pass over here and 5 students did pass in class A.
Ma'am, also in class A, denominator is less,
You
ma'am.
need to compare here. That's all. This is 4s, this is 5s. 4 by 5 fraction you are getting from class A. From class B, 6 table. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. 4 by 5 you are getting. You need to compare these two fractions, means go with cross multiplication. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Same fraction only, children. No class is getting more and less. Same pass percentage of class A and class B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, what is time right now, children?
Ma'am,
And
it's
we just have 5 minutes exactly.
5 minutes left, ma'am.
Today's your homework. Let me give your homework part so that you can finish and come back. Tomorrow's class, we will check your homework
Ma'am,
part.
also today I had my maths exam, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am, today only.
How many questions they gave? How you wrote your test? Any
Ma'am,
doubt?
more than 40, I think, ma'am. 40 plus.
Any doubt there?
No, ma'am.
How many marks? Question
They
paper?
didn't give the marks yet.
No, how many marks total for the whole
I
question?
think
paper?
40. 40.
Your homework part, I will just show.
Ma'am, foundation 6, ma'am, the second one.
I will share with you your homework. Please practice the sums and come back with your answers. Where is that part of maths fractions, Ashwath?
Ma'am, did you already post?
No, it is already in your classroom, children. You have to take
ma'am.
that. Where is the
Ma'am,
question?
question bank, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, question bank.
Yes, question bank. Where I can see
Ma'am,
here.
classwork, ma'am. Up, yes, there, ma'am.
I want to just show the questions. What are the questions today you're supposed to do as a homework and come back. Homework means by at least some part, 1 or 2 bits. I won't give much bits as a homework, children. I will just 1 or 2 points I will give to you. Yeah, today's your homework is, yeah, you just see, children, by seeing only you can do that only. Yeah, your homework is, can you do first exercise and second exercise, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Some page?
Page number, it's 55 and 54, Nana. Page 55, 54 in your question bank.
Okay, ma'am.
From classroom, you can, please, children. Yeah, or else you can go with some other part of what we discussed just now. Equivalent fractions and comparing fractions. This is worksheet number 5 worksheet. Okay, children, first you just go with this, which is larger. This is worksheet number 5. First 2, how many bits you supposed to write here? First 2. First
We'll send answers to you.
1 to, yeah, 1 to 9 bits, Nana. These are
Okay, ma'am.
1 to 9 bits is your task today.
Ma'am, page number 58.
Page number 58.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please, this is your homework. That's all for the day, children. Please practice and come back with your answers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
Bye, children.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day ahead, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, Ashwath. Bye, Sudisha. Bye, Dash.
Bye, Yadarth. Bye, Sudisha. All the best for your next exam, Yadarth. Bye.